Hello everyone, myself Saib and working as a techno-functional consultant of Business Center. So today I will explore to how to make a sales credit memos in Business Center. So if I get complaints from my customer or I get item backs from my customer, I might need to make a sales credit memo in Business Center. So let's see how that works. So getting a sales credit memo, maybe I am getting an item back and I want to create a new sales credit memo directly from my menu to the customer number, and I have sold some goods. At the normal way to prepare my sales credit memo is to copy the posted sales invoice, and I am going to go up here and I am going to type sales credit memo. From here just search the sales credit memo, sales credit memo. So inside that create new. So I am going to now select my customer. So for now I just clicking for my this customer, this. Okay, so just select the customer. So it's a select unlimited and select OK. So what I am going to do is I am actually going to go prepare and copy document. So is it possible to copy other documents also? So if I go inside the prepare and copy documents, and from here I can also select other document as well. Yes, but today I just show the posted invoices. So from here document number I select this document number 103024. So 103024. So this one. So I want to be completely my pricing correct, so I should select from here the my document number. So from here the document number I have selected 103024. So select my document number and it will of course filter on my customer name that I have added on posted sales invoice. So just click OK. So it's the copying document line and processing sources line. So from just if I go back below, the one item 766 BCC is added. So if I go back to here and one item, the quantity is 1. So this item, so now you can say that the item I got. So now if I go inside the invoice, so inside the sales credit memo, go inside the home and just if I can for now preview posting. So for now just preview the posting, just make sure I am not getting any error. So now you can see that in preview posting the effect we can see on GL entries. So after GL and also on GL entries the effect on that. So you can see that the negative financial impact on general ledger entries. So also it hit the item ledger entries and because it's get back from item, so it also recorded on item ledger entry. If I can see, it's also hit the value entry and customer ledger entry. So because the customer returned one quantity, so also it hit the customer ledger entry, and you can see that amount are coming in negative. So this is the process of customer ledger entries get back. And so now you can see that complete sales credit memo. So using the sales credit memo, we can return the item back from customer, or if customer want to return back some item, so using this we can return back and correct our entries and adjust our financial journal ledger entries. Thank you so much.